We're gonna do a cold start here and drive this around the block just to give an idea of what this car is all about. This is the Impreza that's for sale on Craigslist right now. And you can see inside and see the interior and whatnot. It is totally stripped out. We did put the door panels back in. Alright, hop in. Okay. There's the air-fuel ratio up there. Once I turn it on, I'm going to buckle up in a harness. That noise you heard was the harness pulling on the handle. No big deal, just kind of goofy. Alright, so I'm putting on my harness. It's one side. If you buy this car, you get this cool, ironic, trust me, thing saying caution, unsafe at any speed. That's not true. It's ironic. Don't worry. Alright, I'll do this. So, again, cold start, haven't started in a couple days. E-brake works, air works, heat works. This isn't very happy, but it does work. You just kind of be nice to this stuff, and it does work just fine. Horn does not work. I think we have 6 horns or so hooked up. I think it blew a fuse or something. Anyways, we have the face for this somewhere, although I'm not sure if it actually works. Probably don't care too much about that. Anyways, oh, let's try this too. Window works. Wow, that flickers like insane with the phone. Anyways, that works. That works. That works. Stuff works in this car. So, good times. I'm putting all these windows back up now. Alright, shit works. Mirror works. Oh yeah. Well, you can't really see, but the lights are on now. Anyways. Sprayers work, windshield wipers work. For a project car, this car works. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna drive around the block here, show you that this mosquito on the windshield right here. Okay, maybe you can't see it. Anyways. Blinker works. Although blinker does not turn off. Hopefully that's not a deal breaker for anybody. Neighbors work. Steering works. Hood scoop is functional. You're welcome. It's a little dirty in here, but it is a rally car. Oh yeah, left blinker also works, not just the right blinker. Neighbor, walking the dog, working. I'm gonna turn right. Alright, still driving, no problem. Let's see, first gear again, works. Brakes work. It's a very functional car. It's a nice car. It's not a bad car to drive at all. Comfy. It has STI suspension, so it's a little rough, but that's kind of goes with the rally cross mentality, rally car mentality, and project car mentality. But anyways, there you go. That's a long video. I apologize. Anyways, car works. Buy my car.